Hello everybody. Today we are going to study about human reproductive system. So first of all, dealing with the basics of the human reproductive system, humans are unisexual. Humans are unisexual, or we can say these are dioecious. It means there are differentiation of sexes, means one is male and another is the female sex. Both the male and female sexes are present in different bodies, unlike the plants which are bisexual. Plants are generally bisexual, in which both the male and female parts are present in the same organism, same part. So first we will begin with the male reproductive system. Male reproductive system. Coming on to the major parts or organs of the reproductive system of male, the primary sex organ of the male is testis, and these are present in pair. So males have one pair of testes. Second, the accessory reproductive organs are accessory sex organ are the duct system, various ducts that are vasa differentia, epididymis. Coming on to the male copulatory organ, the external male genitalia. External male genitalia include the penis. Apart from these organs, males have some reproductive organs, accessory glands also, or you can say reproductive glands. Reproductive glands that include seminal vesicle, prostate gland, and the corpus gland. The corpus gland is also known as bulbourethral gland. So first we will begin with the male sex organ, that is the testis. As I already told you, one pair of testes are present in male. The testes are located in a pouch known as the scrotum. Testes are located in scrotum outside the abdominal cavity. The scrotum provides. Now question arises, why these testes are placed outside the abdominal cavity? Because the temperature of scrotum is 2 to 3 degrees Celsius less than the body temperature, and this low temperature favors the production of sperms in the testes. This low temperature favors production of sperms. Now coming on to the structure of testes. Structure of testes. These are oval in structure, covered by a membrane, tunica albuginea, Inside this, lobes are present, which are known as the testicular lobes. These are the testicular lobes. Inside this highly coiled structure known as the seminiferous tubules are present. The seminiferous tubule unite here and form a net-like arrangement which is known as the retitestes. This is the outer layer of testis. These are the lobes, and this pink colored structure present in the lobes. These are the testicular lobes. I should write it here. Testicular lobes. These are the seminiferous tubules. And this is retitestes. Retitestes. From this retitestes arises fine tube-like structures which unite to form a united at the epididymis. So this yellow color structure is the vasa efferentia, and this is epididymis. This epididymis now continues into a long coiled tube, long linear tube that is known as the vasa differentia. This vasa differentia will move on to the urinary bladder. On the urinary bladder, this is the urinary bladder, and this will dilate here a little, and forms the ampulla. This is the ampulla. This blue bag-like structure is the urinary bladder. This is the urinary bladder. These are the ureter. This here near the urinary bladder, the gland known as the seminal vesicle is also present. These two join here and form a ejaculatory duct. This is the ejaculatory duct. This is the urethra. The seminal vesicle is also present in pair form. Here also the seminal vesicle is present. Here the vasa, this is the ampulla, and this is the vasa differentia coming from here. This is the urethra. Upon this urethra is present here the prostate gland. This is a single gland. Below it is present bulb-like structures known as the pair-form bulbourethral gland, and here it is present the male copulatory organ or the external genitalia, that is the penis. This is the prostate gland. This is the corpus gland, or you can say bulbourethral gland. This tube is the urethra, and this is the copulatory organ or the male external genitalia, penis. Now coming on to the internal structure of the testis, this is the whole male reproductive system. This is the male reproductive system. Now coming on to the structure of this unit of testis is seminiferous tubule. It is 1 to 3 in number in each lobe. Let us see a generalized internal structure of a testis. If we see the TS of seminiferous tubule, it will look like this. These are the cut sections. TS of 3 seminiferous tubules. It consists two types of cells, long Sertoli cells. In between these are present the male germ cells. These are the male germ cells, also known as the spermatogonia Sertoli cells. In between the seminiferous tubules are present specialized cells known as the leading cells. In between the seminiferous tubules are present the leading cells, and also there is a presence of blood vessels in between them. So this is the TS of seminiferous tubules. It has two types of cells. These long cells are the Sertoli cells. These are the Sertoli cells that provide nutrition to the developing sperms, and these are the male germ cells, or you can say these are the spermatogonia that forms later on sperms after spermatogenesis. In between these are the leading cells, also known as interstitial cells, and these cells secrete the male sex hormone that is testosterone, and these are the blood vessels. So this is the diagram of the TS of the seminiferous tubule. So in the next class we will be dealing with the different structures of the accessory structures of the testes, accessory structures of the male reproductive system like the ducts and the glands. Thank you.